Looking for a new truck this summer? Visit Midwest Motors in Eureka, Missouri and check out our 2014 Toyota Tundra SR5. Featuring a FabTech Motorsports lift kit that gives the truck aggressive looks and off-road capability. Also equipped are black and silver BMF wheels with blacked out Toyota center caps. This four-wheel drive 5.7-liter V8 truck also features side step rails for easy entry into the cabin. The custom-added front skid plate means you can conquer any obstacle, and the WeatherTech rain guards nicely accent the exterior. To top it all off, the rear end features smoke taillights that really set off the look of this truck. If you'd like to take this one out for a test drive, give us a call at 636-938-5777 or visit us online at midwestmotors.biz today.